is Richard Cardiff. I've been with the company now for 15 years. My actual job name is Training Specialist over Technical. So I deal with our new hire technicians. We run them through training here in this facility and get them ready to go onto the floor, quicker route, and having some skills that can help them succeed.
I'm Ken Myers. I'm the Director of Construction and Industrial Trades. I was approached by our administration at CCC to kind of work with Purina to maybe develop a pathway for manufacturing maintenance. So working with the partners here, with Rich and Ramon and the team here at Purina, we kind of put together a pathway, a quick pathway to get them into the workforce and a quick pathway to elevate them in the workforce.
So this is something relatively new for us within the last 5-7 years. We don't have people that are really out there focusing on our blue collar or our hands-on positions. And so especially in Flagstaff, we don't have that deep pool of industrial maintenance technicians. So we've really changed our mindset over the years and saying that if we can get somebody that's got the aptitude and willing to work, let us train them and build people up to a level that we can get some benefit.
So when I was approached with this idea of partnering with Purina, I have to look at different manufacturers in our community and found that there is some base content that every manufacturer, whether it be from the microbreweries that are in our community to Purina and everybody in between, has a base concept of what they need for manufacturing.
Said we're trying to find in partnership with a community college that can give us the training that we don't have. The concepts of what we need as a company and then what the community college can offer, it does seem like a great fit. We're really excited about the opportunity to have something local that we can run and manage it through. Two main struggles, and I think everybody in Northern Arizona has these two. One is going to be competency based. That's just we've seen over the years we don't have people with the competencies in industrial, blue collar, or hands-on activities.
We are trying to change the way we do academia here at Coconino Community College, and we're looking to try to provide more of a competency-based pathway. So more again like the competencies that they need to have in the workforce. Then they will have the skills to go and work for any manufacturer in our community and then be trained for the proprietary technology from, let's say, Purina or other organizations.
The other one that's really tough for us is just the location. Not a lot of people can move to Flagstaff and afford to live here. If we can get that high school person or person that's already living in the community, understands the community, knows how it works, already here, and then bring them in as an employee, we've seen much better rates with that. People that are already living here, Purina is a good company to work for, and they're usually staying, and we can keep them in the community.
So my goal as director of these type of trainings is to provide an education for our young people that live in the community that can stay in our community. So if we can train them right and keep them local and train them local, then maybe nobody has to move and everybody can stay and enjoy our community the way it's meant to be.
Helping our community thrive and people stay in our community. So I think we're working with the community college and with our neighboring industries, we can find those voids and help fill those and hopefully keep people here in the community. If we can find these different jobs, these different opportunities, and help support our public, that'd be a great benefit for our city. Being able to have these opportunities through an affordable way, where if our communities are out there supporting, they see that benefit and want to kind of pay that back to the communities. And so maybe that is, seeing that how community college has gone and benefited them. Maybe that's something that they now can either help somebody else go through that industry, or they want to stay here and do more, maybe support the community, support the colleges. However, anytime people are getting invested into, for the most people, they really enjoy and want to pay that back. Do as much as you can to partner. We've seen the benefits so far, and it's taken time. But looking forward to seeing the partnership with Coconino Community College I think is really going to be back towards us. And the more and more that we can do that, I think that we can, selfishly, I think it's nice to partner because we have a little bit more say with what we need. Instead of going there and kind of taking this what you get, what you have is what you get. By partnering, you have that ability to help to grow the skills that you need. And it's great working with the community colleges that way, because it seems the community colleges has a lot more flexibility and willing to do those things, knowing that this is a void in our community. How can we help support that?
And one of the better things about the partnership we have with Purina, they typically can't hire, as most manufacturers, until a student reaches the age of 18. So some of that training that they're getting is not until they're 18 years old, and a lot of the students in our community don't have that access to that type of training at an earlier level. With the partnership with CCC, we are able to provide high school students from their junior and senior years, we can provide them this training so when they graduate from their high school, they have an industry certification that aligns with the manufacturers in our community, and they can hit the ground running as soon as they graduate in a job opportunity such as working with Nestlé Purina.
For Purina and CCC to go big or to go big together, I think would definitely be jobs within our community. We see that that is a need, and pretty much every job within the plant, within manufacturing. You know, we have over 300 people that work here. Out of that 300 people, probably 250, 275 are all blue-collar workers. So we could go big with deepening that pool to be able to have success on both sides.
So CCC and Purina are getting ready to go big by offering programs that are not typical to Northern Arizona. Again, we are trying to train local, keep local. So I think the partnership between Coconino Community College and Nestlé Purina, we're going to be building community together. And I think that's the biggest thing, is building that community.